Hey guys, welcome to another video. I want to show you a new Barbie playset I got today. This is the Barbie Skipper Babysitter Inc. playset, or one of the playsets. So this playset comes with a skipper and a toddler or baby. No, not a baby, it's a toddler, and a stroller or baby carriage, whatever you call it. So yeah. Now let's have a look at the back of the box. So here are other play sets from this line, both with Skipper, but there are also sets with other characters. Yeah, and here's one with a bed and a high chair, and here's one with a pot and a sink. Yeah, I really like this one. Maybe I get that too. So like I said, it is new, and yeah, I paid for it 23 euros, so it's okay. The price is, it's a normal price for a play set. So let's get the box open somewhere, I don't know. Okay, it's not very easy to open this box. Maybe here. Okay, here's better. So let's cut that off. So this is attached to it, and the little girl is attached to the stroller. So here it is. It's very cute. So you can get her out of there, and I think this might be the body proportions for the older Kelly dolls. So very, very small. And I'm a big fan of that because it's more realistic. So she has flat feet, and she wears some like Converse shoes. Yeah, and she has a yellow body on. It has 5 points of articulation in the head, not elbow, shoulder, and in the hip. So, and she can sit in her stroller, and if you move it, she jumps up and down. So very, very cool. Reminds me of that older playset from the 90s. What is it called? It's with Barbie and Chrissy, I think. So yeah, very cool. So now free Skipper. So with this new line, Skipper also have a new face paint. Maybe she has a new head mold too, but I don't think so. She also had these thingies in her head. Wait a moment, I will remove them very easily. Or not. I hate these things. So here she is. Very, very beautiful girl. Yes. So she wears a gray t-shirt with a print on it and these are separate pieces. Okay, that's a big plus point. And she has this jeans skirt with printed on jeans. In the one hand, she has a bottle for the little girl, and she has also a handbag. Yeah, it looks very, very cool. And she wears sneakers, and she has flat feet. So I think she could wear also normal Barbie shoes, so the flat shoes, and her hair is very, very soft. It's cut in layers, but I think here are some uneven pieces, but it's okay. So she has purple hair, and over the purple hair she has brown hair. So let's have a closer look at her face. So you see, her eyes are more bigger than before, and yeah, she looks different. She's not as scary I remember, but never mind. I like her. She's a beautiful girl, doll, and yeah. So now let's get these accessories out of the box. I can't remove them. Oh, okay, no, it works. So, like you see, she comes with this handbag. Maybe she has some diapers in it and other other stuff. So I showed you this before. This is a bottle for the baby. And she comes also with a cute little plushy teddy bear. Very, very pretty. And also she has for herself a coffee. I think this is a coffee, I'm not sure. But yeah. Crazy. It has the same color as the skin. So, okay. And she also comes with, what is this? Maybe these are snacks or something. Very, very cool design. And it's hard plastic, so it doesn't get broken that easily. So Skipper comes also with a cell phone, with a smartphone. I don't know what it is. So it looks like a cell phone, but it also looks like here's a baby on front of it. Yeah, I don't know. And she also comes with this little piece. So it says Fisher Price. So it looks like something from Fisher Price. Maybe it's a toy that the girl can hold in her hand and play with it. I don't know. Maybe it works some way, somehow. I don't know. So at last we try to move them together. So her hands must fit in this thing. So yeah, it fits. So it's not that easy with one hand, but it works. So yeah. In my opinion, this is a very cool set, and the price is also it's worth it. So yeah, I hope you liked my video. Please leave me a comment or subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you in my next video. Bye.